and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I would do a HotMiamiStyles haul. Now today's video is going to be more casual items from them. So I've worked with them in the past and I would normally always go for like crazy sort of going out outfits, that sort of thing, and I love all of them. I always like do so well from their hauls, they all fit so nicely, but I thought being in my final year of university I'm just not getting wear out of the crazy going out outfits and really like funky stuff, even though it breaks my heart. So I thought I would go for some more casual clothes just to wear more every day. So this video is going to be reviewing their bodysuits. Now, sort of like the casual ones you can just tuck into jeans and skirts, but I just think they look so nice. So I've got 4 to show you guys and I'm going to jump straight to it. So here is the pile of stuff I got. Now it didn't come like this, I've just taken it all out of the sort of like plastic bag so it doesn't make all that horrible rustling noise. Drives me nuts when I'm editing. So I thought I would start with, I got 2 different style ones and then I got each of those styles in 2 colours just because why not. So I'll start with these crisscrossy ones. So I got this one, which is, I don't really know how to describe, it's definitely a brown, but I don't know if people would describe this as mauve. I don't know my colours very well. So it looks like this and it looks really funny off of a body. So they're all thong bottoms, so you can wear them with jeans, not worry about having like a nappy look, that sort of thing, which is ideal for bodysuits, I think. And they're not like crazy high-thighed. I know it's a style where you can see, you know, the cutout of the bodysuit above your jeans, but me personally, I want it to look like a t-shirt that I've just tucked in really, really well. That is my goal. So it's just this really cute, like, ribbed sort of fabric, and it looks like it's going to fit really nicely. It's sort of like stretchy, but yeah, so it just looks like that. And I got this because I really want it to work with my necklace. Wait, I'm going to find the necklace. If you're OG fans and you've been on my channel for a while, you might have seen this necklace in one of my videos in the past. It's crazy. It's just the maddest Ammonite necklace someone could own. And I really struggled to style it. Like, I don't know what to wear it with, so I thought I'll buy clothes to work with the necklace, even though you normally do it the other way around. But a necklace this sassy, you gotta buy them for it. And I thought maybe this would work with the necklace. So when I try it on for you guys in a second, I'll throw on the necklace and we can decide if it works or whether I'm just gonna have to buy more clothes, you know. You know how it is. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go throw it on. But this is how the brown one fits, and I've just put the sleeves up. You can knock them off the shoulder if you fancy it, but I've got the necklace ready. We're gonna see if this rocks it. So I'm hopeful, but I'm thinking, is there too much neckline exposed? Like, would the necklace look better? I don't know. Oh my god. I didn't pick an easy necklace to style, did I? So what do we think? We could wear it like, oh, it kind of works. It definitely is very extra. Let's pull up the sleeves and do it both ways. I don't know which one looks better, pulled up or pulled down. So this is it, pulled up, pulled down. Let me know in the comments which one looks better or if it doesn't go at all, because I'll just keep looking for something to wear it with, but I just cannot wait to start wearing it. It just sits so perfectly. I love the necklace and I love the bodysuit. Oh, that label's looking lovely. Just tuck that in. I think it's growing on me. Maybe it needs a belt. Let's put the belt on. Oh, it's attached to everything. Oh my god. My flies are completely undone. Why am I such a nightmare at this? I need an assistant to just tell me when I'm doing stupid things. Right. Is it better with a belt, or is this belt gonna make it the wrong browns? I think the belt's a bit too orangey brown. Oh my god, this is so hard. I literally thought I was gonna put this on, put the necklace on, and it work. I mean, it worked. This part like works well, I think. And then, I don't know, would you guys think I'm a complete weirdo if I wore this? I mean, no one else has this necklace. It is the most extra thing I own. But no, it's growing on me. Let me know what you think, but I love the bodysuit. Like, the bodysuit works. I think I could wear this like all the time with different things. And I think the necklace also looks nice, but I tell you what necklace would look peng. Just like this is one of my more normal Ammonite necklaces. For instance, the singular Ammonite might look a bit See, I think that would look a bit more, bit more classy than, bam, a whole collar of them, but oh, it's definitely something. It's a statement necklace, they're hard to style. Let me know if you've got any advice on how to rep this necklace. I'll be intrigued to hear it, but just trying to... I mean, it's not terrible. I feel like I'm now making it work in my head every time I see it. Okay, I kind of love it. I think it works. Let me know what you think, but I think I'm just gonna wear it like this. But no, so that's how this one fits. The bodysuit itself fits beautifully, no complaints there, and I think it matches the necklace as much as I would have hoped, so definitely got an outfit I can wear the necklace with, I think, touch wood. But yeah, let me know what you think, and yeah, I'll jump to the next one. So the next colour I got it in is emerald green, and it is inside out currently because I threw it on because I wanted to try it on with the skirt to see if it would go. Yeah, I get too excited about hauls. I just try everything on prior to doing the video. I should really do a haul where I'm not allowed to even open the box until I film the video, because it would get these videos out much quicker, be a lot more efficient. So this is what it looks like. It's identical to the brown one, just in this lovely sort of forest green colour. I just think this will look so nice around Christmas time with jeans, or just all year round when it's a bit autumnal. And the chest line on it, chest line? Is that what you say? The chest line. That doesn't sound right to me. The way the neckline, that's the one, not chest line. It's early, my bad. So the neckline of it I think is really flattering because it's obviously got a low back and a low front, so like shows off the curves, but it's like quite classy, I think. So no, love this colour, love the fabric, I love the brown one too, so we're gonna go throw it on. This is how the green one fits, and I love the colour of it. I think it fits really sweet. Being a bodysuit, it's just nice because it keeps it, you know, all tucked in nice all the time, and no, I really like that. I probably should wear it with slightly higher waisted jeans just because the stitching is here, and it changes into like the bottom bit and then the base is there. So like, as long as I pull them up high enough, I think it looks fine. Because these are more like, they sit just below my belly button, whereas high-waisted ones will sit a lot higher, and with a nice belt. They're just such cute tops, and I love the back of them. I think they're so just elegant. I love it. And then you can style them a bit more yourself, so if you prefer more off the shoulder, this one's great for that because you can just pop it down like that, and then it looks even cuter. It's like from casual to going out. I always wear like off the shoulder for more like evening attire, but no, I love this colour. I think it's just gorgeous. I love it. And I don't think it's too Christmassy. I always associate like green with Christmas, but no, I think I need some more green in my life, so I love this one. But yep, let me know what you think. And it's a really fine rib, so it's like really soft and just lovely to wear. It really hugs everywhere nicely, so really chuffed with this one. The next bodysuit I got is this sort of like t-shirt style one, and I think it's going to look so cute, you know, dressed down with jeans, that sort of thing. It is a thong bottom, so it's just going to fit really nice, I think. And it's got little sleeves, which is cute. This colour shouldn't show sweat too much, but if it does, I feel like they're only tiny sleeves, so it's not going to really show that bad, because I think these will be really cute for like summer and spring. And I loved the zip on these, because you can dress them up. So if I'm going to uni, probably zip it up, or you know, put the zip to about there. You can decide on like the hoe level if you want to like show off, and then if I'm going out, just be like boom. Nah, I'm joking, I won't zip it all the way down, but you get the point. You can adjust the cleavage on show, which is ideal. And I'm pretty sure I got all of these in a size small, like all the bodysuits you're going to see, which is, if you want to use me as a size guide, be my guest. I'll also put it in the description box below so you can find the links to all these items and sizes, etc. So I'll go throw this one on. So I love the fit of this top. It's just like a nice and easy, you know, t-shirt to wear, just with a little bit extra. So I'll probably wear the zip about here because I like to show a little bit, but not, you know, like the whole way down. So no, I really like this. I think it hugs very nicely. It sits nice in these jeans. So these are my jeans that I wear like all the time. They've got like a really cool seam going down the front. And I've just been living in them recently, but luckily because this bodysuit, compared to the last two you just saw, it doesn't have like the seam changed, so it works. But no, I love it. I mean, they're gonna hug everything, these bodysuits. But I think these ones, they hug the right places, I hope. So no, really like it. And if I zip it all the way up, it's like a completely different look. I think this would look really cute with like dungarees, that sort of thing. No, I mean, I really like it. I could zip it further down, but it just gets a bit too in your face, I think, there. I think it looks nice like in the middle, and then you get a cute little collar. So no, really like this, and I like the colour of it. I don't think I have any t-shirts this colour, so I think it's really cute. It will go really nice with like these jeans and a brown belt. I can really see because it's got like the brown tag there. I think those sort of colours would work really well together, so no, love this one. Yes, I've just got my favourite brown belt that I can slip on very easily. I think it just finishes the look a bit better. Just like that. The colours just bring it together, I think. So no, love this one. And then the final bodysuit I got is the grey version of the green one you just saw. I really liked this colour. I thought it would look really sweet sort of in the summer with, you know, either black jeans, blue jeans. I mean, grey's just going to go with everything. So really liked that. And I can't explain how soft this material is. It literally, it feels like you're not wearing anything. I love it. And again, the zip, it's just so sassy, like how you can do that. And I think it just looks, you know, it sort of looks like the necklace, if you get me, because it's got the big O in it. I don't know, I really liked the style of these and the fit of them on the model, and I just thought they are going to be perfect for everyday wear, and that's exactly what I plan to do. So I'll go throw this one on. This is how it fits, and again, I love the fit of it. It just hugs everywhere so nicely, and I think the colour of it is very flattering when it wants to be. So I just think it looks really cute, and I love the way the zip sort of goes like a collar when I have it this open. And then obviously I can do it up if I want to, and just, it's quite versatile. You can play around with the way it sort of makes the outfit look. So no, I love this one. They're just so easy to wear, which is exactly what I wanted. I wanted some more casual attire, and I think this nails it. And it's so soft, the material, like, oh my god. I think it's like double lined. Yeah, it is. So if you look there, it's double lined, so it really does feel just so nice on. And it just feels nicely made. So really, really recommend their bodysuits. I'm just going to live in them. They're so easy to wear, but they make an outfit look really nice. And you don't have to worry about lines anywhere, because there literally isn't any. They are completely like, because they're so soft, they're sort of like seamless anyway, and a thong bottom, so it's a win-win. So love these. So that's all I got for you today. I really do hope you enjoyed this little video. Let me know what you thought of the bodysuits. I just think they're going to be so perfect for like everyday sort of casual wear, but still look quite stylish, so really chuffed about that. And yeah, I'll link them all down below. There will be a part 2 coming out for Hot Miami Styles, because who am I kidding? I got a load of going out stuff as well. So that'll be coming out in a few days. But yeah, really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. Check out my links in the description box. There is a Patreon, an Instagram, and a second channel. So yeah, apart from that, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.